आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question says that a urn contains 9 balls, of which 3 are red, 4 are blue, and 2 are green. So 3 balls are drawn at random without replacement from this bag. Now the probability that 3 balls have different color is, so we have to find the probability that the 3 balls taken out from the urn are of different colors. So we have 3 red balls, 4 blue balls, and 2 green balls. So total balls are 9. Total balls equal to 9. Now let A be the event that the ball drawn are of different colors. So now the favorable outcome are, we have to choose 3 balls of different color, that means one of red, one of blue, and one of green. So for choosing one red ball from 3 red ball is 3C1. Similarly, choosing one blue ball from 4 blue balls is 4C1, and for green 2C1. So this is equal to 3. Now 3C1 is 3, 4C1 is 4, and 2C1 is 2. This we can find with this simple formula, that is NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. In this, n is 3 and r is 1. So our favorable outcomes will become 24. Now total outcomes are, now we have to choose 3 balls from total of 9 balls, that is equal to 9C3, that is equal to 9 factorial upon 3 factorial, and 9 minus 3 is 6 factorial, that is equal to 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon, now 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 into 6 factorial. This 6 factorial will cancel this 6 factorial, and our answer will be, now this 3 will cancel this 9 with 3, and 2 will cancel this 8 with 4, so it is equal to, now 3 into 4 is 12, and 12 into 7 is 84. So therefore now probability is favorable outcomes, that is 24, upon total outcomes, that is 84. This will become out to as 2 upon 7. So this is our answer. So option 3 is correct.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।